All right, guys, we're here with Gage, and he's going to tell you what he's about to do.
So we got our GBX manual JK Polar Series shift knob. And we're going to be putting on this manual JK right here. So we got our 3/32 Allen key here to get rid of our screws that hold our GBX logo on the top cap.
Don't lose those screws.
So don't lose those screws. Put them in the tray. Make sure you got a tray. So the tray holds the screws. Jeep does not. Jeep will let go of them. All right. Now you're going to get that cap off. Of course, this one's going to be finicky now.
It's almost out.
Oh, we're halfway there, dude.
Or just use that Allen key. You might be able to pop it
Use
out.
the Allen key.
Yeah.
Boom.
There you go.
Pop your cap off. Now we got 3/16 Allen key for these screws right here. So get those out. Put them in a tray. Right into the tray.
Right into the tray. Don't lose them.
So, and you'll have both of these separate. Put those in your tray. All right. So you need your 3/32 Allen key, and you want to make sure this set screw here is on this flat piece here, lines up with that, because that set screw is going to come in more than these two here. So we'll start running them in almost simultaneously, making sure that these two big bolts on the top stay diagonal from each other. So.
Precision, I like it.
Get those snug, and then you got to give it a little turn, nothing crazy.
Yeah, you don't want that thing popping off mid wop bop shift.
Yeah, nothing crazy, just that little bit. Also need. Then don't strip them. Make sure they're nice and tight.
Don't get your Allen head stuck in there either.
Don't get your Allen key stuck. Then you're gonna take your spacer here that runs over these set screws and your cap here.
And you will see that, guys, here, take that cap back off real quick. You'll see that those guys line up sideways. So as soon as he goes on, it all lines up.
All these line up.
So your cap lines back up and everything.
Then you go back to your 3/16 Allen key to run these in. Almost same story here. Nothing crazy, but make sure they're tight. All right, then we'll go back to our 3/32.
Nice and flush.
You're gonna get your GBX cap. And you'll see the way the lines line up. You'll be able to see your GBX logo looking right at you while you're going down the road.
Oh, that's beautiful. Don't lose those little screws.
Don't lose these little screws. I would say you don't even need the ratchet for these. You just run these in with the tool. These don't need to be crazy tight.
Simple, simple. Personally, I leave that one a hair loose sometimes, but it looks like you're just an expert at this, and this thing's just lining right up. So look at this guy.
And there's your shift knob.
Beautiful. And look at that.
Manual JK Polar Series.
It's paired with the TK's knob too. Pull that thing back.
Let's see. Let's get this thing in neutral. Come here. Boom, right there. Right at you.
Very nice. Look at that combo.
Say.